Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you find Doordash promo codes. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Let's get into this video. So open up your browser to your Google. So basically just search for Doordash promo code on your Google. So once you get to Google, so just search for it, and then here you can actually choose any of these links. Go to any of these links. They should work as well, but I would highlight a specific video or a specific link in this video, so which is the retail me not option. So click on that retail me or not option, and then here you should find lots of DoorDash promo codes that are actually usable, so which you can use. So you can choose whatever that you want, and then click on the show coupon code, and then you can just use those codes on your DoorDash application. So these ones you can just browse around and have a look around it and see what suits you, and you can just use it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.